Good morning, everybody. I'm going to take you along on a vlog and a what I eat in a day video, just kind of whatever comes along for the day. So middle girls are off with dad today, so it's just me and Renee and Levi. And Renee has an eye appointment. If you guys have been around the channel for a while, you might remember I brought you guys along on our eye journey with Renee. She has some eye issues that we really worked hard on when she was younger, starting around when she was about 3 or 4. We did vision therapy and it helped tremendously. And we've been kind of in a holding pattern with that for the last couple of years. Basically, there's still some work that could be done to help her eyes work together, to see 3D better and all of that. But the doctor said we can either do it now when she's, at the time she was about 6. We can do it now and it would take like a year, 2 years, or we could wait until she's a little bit older and then it would, just be a few months that we could make the same amount of progress. So since we were at a place, like kind of a stable place where there wasn't damage being done by waiting, we decided to wait. And so we've just been doing, every 6 months to a year checkups. And so that's what we're going in for. She needs new glasses. She's overdue for new glasses. So we're going to get her updated prescription if there is an updated prescription, and just make sure everything is good. It's always fun to see the progress because they test like the 3D vision. They're very much into vision therapy and like seeing the eyes as part of the brain, not just like the muscles in the eye. Because when you have like eye turns like Renee did, or she still kind of does, but a lot less than she used to. There's surgeries that can just cut the muscle and kind of like move the eye around, which can be helpful in certain situations. For Renee, it wasn't the right choice. But when you actually see the eye as part of the brain, you can like help train the brain to move the eye in the right directions and different things like that. So anyways, that's what this kind of doctor focuses on. And, like surgery is more like a last resort, which I'm very happy with that. Anyways, we didn't have to go down that route of surgery with Renee because of what we were able to do in vision therapy. Anyways, so we are going to go have her eye appointment this morning, and we'll probably, since it's just me and the 2 kids, we'll probably grab lunch somewhere, maybe go to a park or something. It's been super hot here the last 3 or 4 days, like over 100 for us. That's very hot. And today's only supposed to get up to like 91. So nice and cool today. So we might try to go to a park or something, just because we haven't really been out of the house a lot the last few days. We've been like getting all of our farm stuff done first thing in the morning when it's nice and cool, and then just hunkering down for the rest of the day. Basically, the basement stays very, very cool here in our house. So anyways, first time out in a little while. Of course, I'm mixing up some electrolytes to take with me. The video today is sponsored by Hiya. Hiya is a brand of children's vitamins that my kids take. They are formulated with vitamins and minerals from real food, very, very bioavailable. My kids love them. It's kind of a little bit of a treat for them, and it just makes me feel better about filling in any nutrient and mineral gaps in their diet. As much as we try to get all of our vitamins and minerals from real food, it's really hard these days with the way that water and soil is depleted. And to just have something to cover your bases just makes me feel better as a mom. One other thing I love about Hiya is that they do offer a discount if you have multiple kids. You guys know that I have a lot of kids, and so having the discount added for multiple kids makes my heart happy. With your first order, you get the cute little glass bottle that is refillable. So every month when you get your new package, it has a little eco-friendly bag and you just empty the vitamins in there. I love not having to throw away a plastic bottle every month. So Hiya is offering a special discount to all of my viewers. If you use my link, which is hiyahealth.com/indigo, you can get 50% off your first order. It's a great way to try it out and see if it's the right fit for your kid. Thank you so much to Hiya for sponsoring today's video. It is sponsors like Hiya that really make it possible for me to offer free content for all of you. So I truly, truly appreciate it.
Amazing. We're going to do the same thing on the other side.
2.
Easy. How many here? 4. Nice. How about here? 2. 5 here. 4, 6. Which one is better?
Mama, this is
5.
4 space.
4, 6.
A maze? Oh, it could be.
6
If you want it to be.
better? Nice job. Let's look here.
What you doing, Levi?
Do you think 7 is more here or 8?
You working on your book?
7. What should the end be?
And do you think that 9 is
Oh,
good?
sure. That sounds good.
Great.
Renee's appointment is done, and we decided to stop by Starbucks where Autumn works to see her and so that I could get a coffee. I have not eaten breakfast yet. I just had my coffee this morning. I actually brought some chicken strips to eat if I needed it, and I think I will. So I'm gonna eat those and have my coffee. These are my chicken strips just made with my protein breading. I have 4 in here. So I will eat them while we drive, and I will have my coffee also. Levi got a little prize at the eye doctor. Even though he didn't have an eye appointment, he still was able to get a prize. And so after I get my coffee and we see Autumn, we are gonna go to the fair. We got invited by some friends. They said they were headed over to the county fair and asked us if we wanted to go. And we're out and about, and it's not 107 degrees. So we're gonna do it. You ready to go to the fair?
Yeah!
Let's do it. Isn't she cute?
Hello.
Hmm? Yeah, look. Okay, those kebabs look pretty tasty. We might have to come back for some of that. Wow, that's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Yes.
Have you guys seen these before?
They're so cute.
So our main line is living lockets. So you pick out a locket that you like and you fill it with terms that tell your story.
Wow. Does it open again or is it sealed?
Nope. You open it and you can change them out.
Oh my goodness.
For different
Don't touch.
holidays.
That is so cool. Little bus and taxis. Oh, look at the little motorcycles. We love tiny things. Oh my goodness. Little Hermione.
Yeah.
Those are so cute.
Whoa, that's amazing.
Oh my god. Oh yeah,
Look at the
amethyst.
school one.
Those are so pretty. Oh, look at those rings.
Oh, look there's little puppies.
Oh my
And
goodness.
little skulls.
And little skulls. How cute. Oh, they're so tiny. How does it eat? That's actually pretty accurate. Yes? Yes? How can we help you?
How can you help
Okay.
you? Like big eyes. And their faces
Yeah.
are funny.
They do, but maybe they think your face looks funny.
They're big eyes.
It's the Fabio. The Fabio of llamas. Or alpacas? Or llamas? I have no idea. So these are boar goats, and they're what a Bo and Peep are going to look like when they're full grown, probably. Something like that. Coloring looks very similar. Oh, baby! Oh,
They're so
so tiny. Levi,
Now, please observe the ride operator's
Levi.
instructions.
are you ready for this?
Remember,
Are we gonna bumper?
Yeah, but I can't put the thing.
Oh, I'll do it. You can? You can't reach the pedals though.
I know.
Whoa!
What?
Turn this way. We are home from the fair now, and I didn't actually eat at the fair, but on the way home I ate the keto bar that I packed. I had put it into a cold bag and it was still nice and, not melted. So I enjoyed that, and that actually was enough to satisfy my hunger. So probably going to be starting to work on dinner here pretty soon. Tonight is a night for an easy dinner, so I am going to cook up these chicken drumsticks that I prepped I did it in a food prep video a while back. It makes life so much easier when I can just pull this out of the fridge, throw them in the air fryer. It'll probably take 2 batches. There's a little gnat that's giving me trouble. Probably 2 batches, and they'll be delicious, and it just makes my life easy. And here's what I'm eating for dinner. I'm gonna have 2 of the chicken legs, and then I have half of a serving of a keto chow core, the one with stevia, and I use the Wagyu beef tallow, which is an amazing hack, keto chow hack, especially with the core. So this half serving has 1 tablespoon of the tallow in it. My husband usually has a keto chow in the evening. He's, not needing to lose weight. He actually needs to keep his calories up. So he eats a dinner and then has a keto chow after it. He calls it his meal enhancement shake. Anyways, it's been kind of fun to have a keto chow with him in the evening. But then of course I don't need an entire keto chow in the evening. So I often will have just a half with a smaller meal. Right now is what we call barnyard time. We've been doing in the evening for an hour or 2, all the animals get to free range, and we just call it barnyard time. And of course the dogs get to enjoy barnyard time as well. So of course we can't leave them free ranging unsupervised. So the kids take turns being on goat duty.
That might be a frog.
So I didn't end up counting my calories and macros for this day. Typically I don't on a day-to-day basis. I do that usually only when I'm making what I eat in a day videos, but I just decided to keep it simple today and skip the counting. But here is a picture of my blood sugar for the day. It was a little wonky. Sometimes that just happens, getting out of the house in the morning, going to the eye appointment, even though it's a positive thing, there's still some stress involved. And my blood sugar was up. Well, it was up throughout the night too. I don't know what the deal was with that. But it did, I had this little spike here in the morning up to 123, and that was as we were getting ready to go to the appointment. So I think that was just stress from that. I hadn't even eaten anything at that point, just had my coffee, which I usually don't have any issue with. So it just goes to show that there's so much more involved with blood sugar than just the food that you're eating. But you can see the rest of the day it came down, and so I was in pretty normal range for the rest of the day. And I didn't input my food into because you can put your meals into the NutriSense app here, so you can see where they landed on the graph, but I didn't even take the time to do that. Just really keeping it simple this month. It ended up being a pretty lowish calorie day. Just wasn't very hungry. We were busy. Didn't eat the whole time we were at the fair. Breakfast was just the chicken strips. Lunch was just basically the perfect keto bar, which filled me up really nicely. And then I had a good high protein dinner in the evening, and that was just all I needed for the day. So as always, you can check out NutriSense in the description below. I have a link. I use NutriSense to get my CGMs, and their app is really great getting all of the data. You can see on here I got a 93 as my average on my blood sugar for the day, which I like to see it a little bit lower than that, but that's pretty normal for me if I'm eating more than 100 or so grams of protein, and even with my carbs low, I still have that average around 90 something. So nothing too out of the ordinary, and it's just super helpful to be able to see my blood sugar and what it does on a day-to-day basis. And it always drives home the point that so much more than food affects blood sugar, and that's just an important thing to keep in mind. So like I said, down in the description I have a link. I am an affiliate with NutriSense, so if you click that link, I do get a little bit of a kickback if you sign up for more info with your email address. You don't even have to make a purchase for me to get a kickback. So if you want to support my channel, that's a super easy and free way to do it. So feel free to do that if you want, or if you don't, I totally respect that as well. Thanks so much for hanging out with us on this fun, fair, what I eat in a day video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.